You know the weather is changing, and winter is coming. In this season, if your cats or dogs start having a runny nose, you should not ignore it. It can be a sign of an infection or an allergic response. If you don't get it treated on time, the infection can slowly spread to the lungs. Once it reaches the lungs, the problem takes much longer to heal. So if your pet is coughing or frequently sneezing, book a vet appointment right away so the problem can be treated on time. Otherwise, if the infection reaches the lungs, it becomes very problematic and takes a lot of time to recover.